Okay, let's see how this comes out. My new phone, I'm gonna try out. I want to show you guys something. You'll see, I got a little nick here, a little nick there, and a little nick there that has a few stitches in it. Got that last Monday, or a week ago today, from my new Azula knife. I owned it less than an hour and decided to put the paracord wrap on there. And when I was doing it, I was tightening it up, and as I was pulling on this, my finger pulled the sheath off and sliced myself. So I need to get the stitches out today. So what I'm going to try to attempt to do is do this on my new phone and see how it comes out. Ow. I don't know if you guys can see. Now I did that with an old Squirt S4 Leatherman. Alright. Here comes the crappy part. I don't know. I'm not looking forward to this. I've had a few stitches pulled out over the years. Now I'm using my Squirt PS4. Come on, focus. There we go. So now we're going to try to pull these out with a minimal amount of pain. There's one out. This one, I believe, is going to hurt the most, and it didn't hurt at all, so let's see what we got here. Alright. I don't know if that'll focus up. Alright, there's the stitches on my calloused hands. There's a nice big cut that, wow, my hands are tore up. Anyway, so I got 3 stitches out all by myself. I'm a big boy now with old Squirt, new Squirt, and the culprit that caused it to happen. Now, if I can pull this back here, there's the culprit, there's the tools. Obviously I went to the doctor to fix that. It's tender still, but you know, I've had stitches before and that's life. So we're gonna see how this new camera works, my new phone. Got one of them droids. You know, let's see.